and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Arts Studio. Today I will be demonstrating a mindful art activity for kids called Fill Your Heart with Love Bubbles. This activity is very calming and encourages mindfulness as you create bubbles with paint and a recycled lid. I am happy you can join me. Now let's get started. So to begin, you will need some construction paper. You will trace out the outline of your heart and cut it out. You will then fold back over and trim along the outside of the heart, so you just have the border remaining. You will then take a piece of plain white paper and glue down the border of your heart onto the paper, and then trim the excess of the white paper off of your heart. You can create many different colors and sizes of hearts for this project. Okay, so we're gonna get started with filling our heart with love bubbles. Right, Patty?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start with our plastic cap.
Yeah.
We're gonna dip it in the paint, and then we're going to put it on the page. Okay? Very good. Did you get some paint?
No. Blue.
I think we need to turn it this way. Hold on. Yeah.
No.
Okay, you go ahead. Very good.
Did it, Mama.
Very nice. Those are beautiful. Great job. Some green?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
Again.
Again. You want some more green?
Yeah.
Great job. Maybe I'll add in some more yellow.
Yeah. Moving.
And you can also mix the colors as well. So if you mix yellow and blue, you'll make green. Very nice.
I'm done, mouse.
Sounds like a dog.
Yeah.
You want to keep going?
No, done.
You're finished now? That looks wonderful.
Yeah.
What's in your heart, Patty? What fills your heart? What do you love?
Blue.
You love blue.
Yeah.
What else do you love?
Green.
You love green.
Yeah, but
Very nice.
yeah. And then I'm blue and blue here. Reindeer. And then yellow here.
And yellow, yeah.
Yeah,
Very
but
good.
reindeer, blue there, and yellow there.
So you love the colors.
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
blue, there, green, blue, yellow.
Yellow, very good.
And blue, and then green, and then yellow.
Do you love creating art?
Yeah, but then green, blue,
And
what?
what's that one? Yellow.
Hello.
Yellow.
I'm
Very good.
gonna make more.
You want to make more?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. You want some different colors?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like some pink or how about some orange?
Yes.
Okay.
Me.
You want to try and squeeze it? Or to squeeze it onto here.
Yeah.
Okay. And it will come out. Here, let's take this off actually.
Yeah.
And then we can get it out easier. Okay. Ooh. Oops, there we go. That's enough. We don't need more than that.
No, Mom.
It's gonna spill everywhere, babe.
Mom.
That's enough. We have enough on the paper now. There's tons there.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's use up our paint now. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, this will be fun.
Oh.
Do green and orange together. That looks really pretty. And some more blue. And put some on the page. Very nice.
Again.
Again?
Orange.
You're done orange? We have a lot of orange to use up. Do you think we should continue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange here.
We do, and we have plenty on the palette.
More orange.
And we don't need to pour out more because we have lots on our palette. Okay?
Yes. Oh.
We've got lots to use up here, see?
What?
We have lots to use up, so once it's empty, then we can put more. You want to continue on?
No, thank you, Mama.
No, thank you. Can you tell me what else you love? What's in your heart?
Blue.
Blue. You love blue. What about people? What people are in your heart?
Blue.
Blue. Is there any specific people that you love?
No.
No? What about your family? Do you love your family?
No.
No. What about dogs? Do you love dogs?
Yeah.
You do. What else? Do you love flowers?
Yeah.
What was the flower we saw the other day that you liked?
No.
The tulip.
No.
No, you don't like the tulip anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm going out.
You're going now. Okay. Did you have fun? Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
You don't want to make more?
No.
No? No more?
I'm done.
Okay. Here is the finished art activity. You can also get your kids to write things that they love around the heart border, like I have done here. You can add glitter and other embellishments. You can also get your children to decorate the backs of the hearts as well. So when you hang them in your window, you can see the beautiful artwork on both sides. We had a wonderful time creating this art project, and we hope that you are inspired to do the same. Thank you so much for joining me today. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the Mindful Willow group on Facebook. I have included the link in the description below. I will continue to post more mindful art activities for kids, as it's such a creative way to introduce children to mindful living. The creative light in me honors the creative light in all of you. Namaste.